Hi, this is Nero for Coco Daisy again, and this time I am showing you a layout that I made with the Tide kit. And I am starting out with one of the add-on papers, and I am adding some watercolor with the stencil to it, and I am watercoloring in layers here. So I started with the light green seaweed, and then I'm adding blue coral on top of that. And this stencil is just really nice and really forgiving. I am working pretty quickly, and the stencil is just coming out really nice without any problems. So now I'm adding a bit of a darker green because I just love that seaweed piece, and I wanted to add a lot more of it. So I'm adding at least 2 more of the seaweed to my background paper there. So I used both the small and the medium brush, and it just went on really quickly and really easily. And I am adding another layer of the seaweed and just trying to get some depth. So I did a darker green, and this time I'm doing a lot more yellow with the green because it's in the foreground. So it will be there. It will kind of come to the front more, while that darker one will go into the back. And one more blue, and this one I added a little more shadow to it instead of just one straight color. So you can kind of see that, and I like how it ends up showing up at the end. And now I am ready to start my layout. So I cut out a circle template just from this toy that I have that the kids have that I use because it's made of circles. It's a circle stacker, and I use the largest circle, and it's a little less than 6 inches around. This is 6x8 layout, and I cut the circle, and then I cut the triangles for the pie chart look, and I cut out different pieces. So one is that blue fan, which is just a strip of pattern paper cut wide enough and then crinkled, and I stapled the bottom shut and I glued it on there. And I am adding letter stickers to that little tag. That tag and that beach tie cut are from crepe paper. And that pattern paper is also from the add-on pattern paper kit, and that's also a crepe paper pattern, the kind of coral, reddish coralish piece. The blue paper is from the main kit. And the little sunshine I was made for sunny days is actually a day in the life kit card, which I cut into a pie shape. And this is one of the sticker sets that comes with the kit this month. I'm just adding the word beach on there and kind of fitting it in. And I decided I wanted it to stand up a little, have a little dimension, so I had a little scrap of that crinkled paper. So I just glued the crinkled paper to the back of the tag, and then glued that down on top of the layout. And you'll see it works pretty well to give it some dimension. I don't know, I've completely run out of glue dots. I have no idea where my glue dots are. I know they're somewhere, which is why I refuse to buy more. I actually have a lot of this dimensional tape. I should get that out next time. So just continuing to glue down these layers here. This one was fun. I used a lot of the enamel dots from the kit and made it kind of turned into like an ombre piece. I was originally going to do all one color, then I did 2 colors, then I added a 3rd color, and I really liked the way it turned out. So I just kind of pushed things around a little bit so that I could fill in the little crevices as much as possible. And there's 3 sizes of the enamel dots, so they filled in really well. And then just gluing down the fan and the last little die cut. And there you go. That's my page. Thanks for watching.